Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Mini Croissant Cereal. Take rolled puff pastry and lay on a flat surface. I'm using half puff pastry to make a bowl of cereal. Cut it as shown. Divide into equal parts. Cut into small triangles as shown. Repeat the same. Roll them into croissants. Repeat the same procedure to make more croissants. Keep aside. Now take 1 egg. Add dash of milk, it's totally optional. Beat well. Now put mini croissants into egg wash mixture. Coat well. Place them on parchment paper. Keep on distance as they will puff up. Dust some powdered sugar. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius until flaky and golden brown. Look how beautifully they baked. They cook quite fast, so keep an eye on them, otherwise they will burn. You can use these as a toppings for oatmeal or smoothies, or eat them as cereal, or just snack them as they are. Every single croissant baked well. Put in a cereal bowl. Have it with mixed berries. Some blueberries. Raspberries. Garnish with strawberry fan. You can also drizzle some honey if you want. Pour some milk. Do try and enjoy. Hear the crunchiness. Look how crispy and flaky they are. Do try this mini croissant cereal recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment box. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.